This is White Pigeon Township versus Teresa. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Would you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm any testimony you're about to give here will be true to the best of your knowledge and belief.
Yes.
All right. Miss Jean Teft is here from the township and she is previously sworn. Miss Teft, you're still under oath. This is a claim for $569 for an accident plus costs that occurred in White Pigeon Township. We just had another one of these. We have one of these about every month. The accident would have been December 30th of 22. What's your response to that?
I sought a lawyer, and so I do understand I am responsible, but I still wanted to come before the court to give my side. I had given the van away to a Michael in September of 2022, along with the title, and he was supposed to dispose of the van because it was inoperable. It was full of bees. They had built their nests in it and stuff. They hadn't ran for 3 years. So he was supposed to take it and have it disposed of. The next I heard about this van was when I got the report from White Pigeon saying it had been in an accident by a Arbogast. Now I do not even know who that is. And that I was responsible for this bill. So I do understand, since I did seek a lawyer, that I am responsible for it, but I'm hoping that the court understands that I'm not. I don't.
Well, yes, this happens a lot. The best thing to do when you sell a vehicle, and which I'm about to do, is meet the purchaser at the Secretary of State's office and transfer the title. So very often the seller signs the title, gives it to the purchaser, and they don't do anything with it. Mm-hmm. Then the thing gets towed and the person on the title gets sued. And so as the title holder, you're responsible under their ordinance, whether it seems fair or not, it doesn't. Yeah. But so yes. And I think Mr. Arbogast might be in jail.
So is Michael. And he's in jail for the same thing. He had purchased a truck, got in an accident, and had never changed the title. I only know this because he's in.
But he's not in our jail.
Okay.
And Mr. Arbogast has been in our jail for the last 9 days. For various things. Okay. All right, I don't have to like it.
Yeah.
But I find you're responsible for the damages and the costs, and the lawyer told you the same thing. It's $670.88. Can you make some sort of monthly payment on that?
On this form, it says I agree to at least $50 a month.
Yes.
Are they willing to accept that starting in September, like September 14th, like the second week of every month?
Are you willing to accept that, Ms. Teft?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right, I'll show it as a consent.
And you said you're going to start this in September the 15th and pay?
I'll go, 9/15.
Oh, I'm sorry, 9. Okay. And
she said 14. I'll go with the 15th.
Okay. And pay what? How many?
The 50?
Yep. And pay the second week of each month, you said?
Yes. Yes.
All right.
You can pay more if you wish. Get it over with sooner. This is chalked up to bad experience, but don't, if you can't pay 50, pay 40 or 25 or 30, just to make sure you didn't forget it.
Okay.
But the total is $670.88. It used to be you had to go into SOS and sit there and grow a beard while you waited for your turn, but now you can make an appointment, and they do a pretty good job of getting you right in and out of there. So I'm going to do that very thing this week. All right. Anything further?
I'm
All
good.
right,
I think
you're
that's
good to
everything.
go.